Levier Fine Writing Instruments presents the turning process of a duck call using firewood. A video is available in how to turn firewood into blanks. This video is available in YouTube, username Levier2011. Cutting a cylindrical shape in the bandsaw can be a dangerous operation, so please extreme precautions and use proper safety equipment. The drilling process is going to be made on the lathe using the 4-jaw scroll chuck. Two standard holes are needed. One is a 33/64 and the second one is a 3/4. The first one is a 31/64. Now that our blanks are drilled, it is time to do the turning process. The setting that I'm using is a collect chuck with a standard pen mandrel. The setting of the mandrel is very simple. Just follow your manufacturer instructions. One key element for the turning process is to have sharpening tools. There's a complete library on how to sharpen turning tools here in YouTube. The username is Levier2011. Four tools are going to be needed. It's going to be the roughing gouge, the spindle gouge, the spindle master, and the skew. A duck call is a great project to practice tool control. The design elements are limited only for our imagination. Now that we have a preliminary shape, it is now time to do the final touches. Using the spindle gouge, I'm doing a cove in this duck call. Still no words we can speak, a passive and chosen, but all treasure tread. The final design element that we are doing is doing a wire burn on the duck call. This process will enrich the look of the duck call. You gotta believe that love comes again. For the sanding process, we are going to use dry sanding, and it's going to be progressive, starting from 120 grit all the way to 600, then 4/0 steel wool. The finish that we are applying is a high gloss friction polish. Apply a generous amount at a low speed, then increase the speed to the maximum in order to burn the finish into the blank. Now that the main chamber is completed, it is now time to move to the second part of this process. We need to change the bushings inside the mandrel, and this takes no more than 1 minute. A tenon will be made, and this tenon will go inside the main chamber. This face that we are cleaning is where the reed is going to be located. During the turning process, we need to validate that this tenon can go inside the main chamber. The two recesses that we are making are for the O-rings. The O-rings are going to be the locking mechanism between the two parts of the duck call. The sanding process is going to be a progressive dry sanding using 120 all the way to 600 grit sandpaper. The finish that we are going to use is going to be the same friction polish. The assembly process is very simple. Now it's time to see our final product. If you have any questions, comments or concerns in regard to this video, feel free to send me an email and I will reply as soon as possible. Thank you.